going to be doing is learning how to create the AI twin. So for the AI twin, all we really need is a picture and Google Gemini. I've been using Google Gemini. Google Gemini has been working perfectly for me. So that's what we're going to be doing. There's tons of other apps and we can get into all the other apps, but for right now, we're just going to do Google Gemini. So Google Gemini has different, also free. So you can use that free. If you need other tools, they do have other tools that you can use and you can, pay for those. But I just use the free version. So let me see. So all you need is you will need a photo of yourself because obviously it has to create you. And later on, also, we're going to do like a video one where you can see how to create video. But in order to create first the AI twin, all you need is a photo. All you need is a photo. So all you need is just basically a photo of yourself. It could be a headshot, it could be a full body shot, it could be whatever you want. You can be sitting, you can be doing whatever. It doesn't really matter what you're doing as long as you just have different photos of yourself, because then it will basically, you can just create different scenes and stuff like that, and you can tell it what to create and it's just going to put you into different scenes. But even just by your picture, by your face, this thing is so accurate. It will literally make you, it will literally make you look sort of the way you look, right? So I'm a little bit, mid-size. So basically when it makes me really like mid-size and it's really funny. So how the AI picks up. So yeah, so like I said, so for today, we're going to be using Gemini, and then we're going to also use ChatGPT to give us prompts, because prompting is very important, because prompting is not just like typing like, oh, I just want this. No, you have to really become specific. And the people that really learn how to prompt very specific are the ones that get really those outputs. So let's do this. So let me head over to Gemini and let me show you guys how to do this. So this is, for example, one that I made, right? Like basically I used my picture and this is basically what it created, right? Here I was doing stuff. So basically I'm just going to continue on my flow over here. I don't know what this was, but actually let's do a new chat. So here tools you see it has different tools. What you want to do is, hold on, let me see. I need to go here and I need to do share screen. Share, okay. Okie dokie. So let me just see. Is it still recording? Yeah, okay. Okay, so over here, when you get to Gemini, it will basically have different options. What we want to do is create images. This is basically Nano Banana. That's what it does. I've been using it on this 2.5 Flash. There's other ones. I guess this is just, for other models, but I've been just using the 2.5 Flash because that's the one that works the fastest. And what we want to do is, you see, like it says create, and it even gives you suggestions. So nowadays you can just really create, it's so easy to create images. So you can do, for example, let's try this one, create an image of me as a vampire figurine, right? So it's asking me first, upload a selfie. So you want to always go here where it says plus, upload the files. And then I'm just going to use, for example, this. So I have tons of videos of mine, and then here. So here I'm uploading a selfie, right? Let's see what it's gonna do. Oof, let's see. Oh, that's so cool. So see here, it's created here's a photorealistic 1.8 figurine portrait as a vampire in a gothic terrarium. It's very interesting. And see, it just uses your face. So that's basically where the whole AI twin comes from, because it will use your face, but it will just put you in different, settings. And you see how it kind of kept the shape the same, because you see I was having the hand like this, so it uses the hand. So that's what's important, to basically have different photos, because then you can get different shots of basically your AI twin. So let's see, let's create another one. So creating your AI twin is very, very simple. You just need photos, and if you don't have, just take a selfie of yourself and that will be enough. So let's see what else it's gonna do. So if I upload another photo, for example, of myself, right? And then what can we do? Is it gonna give me something? Let's just type in like maybe like a Christmas one, right? Because Christmas is coming. So, well, I can't even type today. So I'm just gonna be very vague. Let's see what it's gonna come up with. Okay, what happened? I have no internet. Okay, let me do this again. Let's try again. Do I not have internet? What's going on? Okay, so it's creating the image, you see? Let's see what it's gonna create. Sometimes it takes a while, but I think it's oh, this is so cute. I'm actually gonna use this. So see here, I can go and use download full size. So I'm gonna download it because I'm gonna use that in, some stuff. This is so cute. Like, you see how it does the details? See, I had a watch, the Apple Watch, so it put it right here. And it really keeps kind of like the features the same, right? Oh, this is really cute. So again, creating that that AI twin is just like, you just need, like I said, a headshot of yours or whatever. But then, what you want to do is to get really, really sharp pictures. Like, for example, where are my chats? What happened with my thingy? Why can't I see my chats here? I don't know what's going on here with Gemini. But in order to create different, basically really sharp images, we want to get a really nice prompt. So let me get a prompt from like ChatGPT. So it will really give me a good prompt that I can type in here, and let's see what it creates. So I'll go to ChatGPT. Let me just share ChatGPT. Hold on. Let me share this. So, okay, so I'm going to be here in ChatGPT. And what we're going to do is this. I'm going to ask it to write a prompt for Gemini. And I found that when I put like nano banana or whatever or stuff, like it will kind of mess up. It will think like I want bananas. So I just keep it simple and I just tell it Gemini to create an image of me in sitting under a Christmas. You know what? Let's make it a fun one. Sitting on Santa's sleigh on top of them with reindeers and presents falling from the sky. Give me a prompt so it is crisp and has photo quality. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give me. So here is a detail from. Okay, but what I want to do is this. Add photographic those are called specs into the prompt. Okay, you see, so now it's giving me basically all this stuff. So I'm gonna take this. Yes. Let's see what it's gonna create now. So now let's go into Gemini. Let me just share. So, okay, let me go into Gemini. I'm gonna paste this here. And now I'm gonna upload a file. Let me see if I'll use another picture of myself. I have tons of photos if you guys can see. Let me do this one. Let's see what it's gonna create. Very excited. What I'll do is I'll share the prompts later on I'll put them in the prompts folder so you guys can see them later. Let's see what it does. Sometimes it comes out weird, so this is funny. Okay. So this is interesting. So it's showing me on the moon sitting. Okay, let me do this. Let me ask it to make me like closer. Okay, so it just basically just brought me closer. So it just basically zoomed in. Let me see let's give it a prompt like, actually no, let me ask ChatGPT to do a prompt. Hold on, let me go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Here. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is gonna do. I asked it to give me a prompt that is like funny and ridiculous, and like it's something that just wouldn't be real. But let's see. I just immediately. I'm not gonna do the whole. I'm gonna basically do the photo specs. So we're gonna go back into Gemini. I have to figure out if there's a way of just going between. Okay, let's do this. Let's paste this. I'm gonna upload like a full body. I'm gonna upload this because the full body I think works better, because when you have just the face, what it does is it just, I think, creates the image too close up. Even though I'm gonna use all of them because I think they're super cute. Let's see. Okay, where am I? It forgot to add me to it. Okay, this is super funny. But where am I? Am I one of the reindeers? Hello, am I one of the reindeers? You see, so that's why I was saying sometimes like Gemini is like, that's why I really have to get good at prompting, because it will do stuff that's like, what is this? Okay, but okay, so the only thing is it created like 3 hands of mine. Yeah, that's not what I really wanted. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Let me do this. So I'm gonna ask it, can you rewrite the prompt with another Christmas setting? Again, funny, but use my AI twin in the photo as well. Sorry, you guys. Okay, let's see what it's gonna come up with. Let's go. Okay, I can just do this. I didn't realize. Paste this, add my photo. Just gonna do this. I feel like I'm just trying different photos, and let's see. Excuse me, you guys. Let's see. Hopefully it's gonna give me what I want. Oh, now it's telling me to feature me and my AI twin. I didn't read the prompt. I should have read the prompt. Oh my god, this is too funny. Okay, this is cool. So you see, look at this. Created two of me. Well, the face doesn't really look like me. Maybe this one. But this is funny. I like this. I like this because I'm going to use all of it. I'm going to use this one too. Did I download? Oh, no. Did I download this one? So yeah, I think those are super funny. So yeah, so basically this is how you create your AI twin. Very simple. Very, like I said, you just need a good, hold on, how to do this? Okay. Yeah, so basically, so this is how you create the AI twin. And again, all you really need is just some photos of yourself so that Gemini or whichever other platform you want to use. There's tons of them. I haven't used Sora yet. I know Sora, well, Sora is more for videos. But from the photo aspect, I found that Gemini has been really the nicest one. Maybe there's some other ones. I've tried DALL-E before. DALL-E kind of, I think, died out a little bit. Midjourney is good too. I'm just like, I don't want to be on the Discord server, and you have the option of actually creating your own server on Midjourney, and then just see your stuff, because otherwise I find for me Midjourney just gets too hectic, and then it's like I see everybody's and I'm like, where's my image? Midjourney, the only good thing is it's really good to kind of get ideas and prompts from, because people on Midjourney are fantastic on getting prompts. I mean, doing prompts. But besides that, there's tons of different apps. And like I said, Gemini is the one that I like the best. I'm gonna put a link to it so you guys can use it. I think you guys get some free credits if you sign up with my link. But yeah, but that's basically what I've been using, plus ChatGPT. Same thing, like I like ChatGPT. So I use different, like AI platforms, but ChatGPT is like, I think, just the easiest one just to kind of get a very fast prompt out. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this and go create your own AI twins and let me know what you guys gonna do. So like I said, I know I did just a few in a Christmas setting, but you can just do it in whatever setting you want to do. Let me actually show you some stuff that I've done. Let me go back into Gemini. Hold on. Where are my chats? I've done tons. Let me see. Is it here? No. I'm just looking through this stuff. Where am I? No, this is when I was working with it. I think I have here. Let's see. So here, for example, I did where I asked it to create like a brat style of me. Kind of, I wanted it to be very brat's style. So I did kind of like accentuate different things, and I did ask it to create, like different color palette and stuff like that. But yeah, so that came out super cute. And I mean, you can just do different things. So it is definitely a fun tool, and go out there, try it, let me know how it goes. And the next training I'm gonna do is gonna be about how to create videos with your AI twin, because I know that's everybody's wanting to do that as well. And that you can actually go and do basic like commercials and stuff like that for people. So it is a lot of fun. But so let me know how you guys liking the AI training, and put in the comments, or I guess put in the chat later what you guys have created. Love to see some stuff. So thank you guys so much for being here, and come back and re-watch this. And if you guys have any questions, or if you guys need any assistance with anything, feel free to reach out.